Hey guys, Gaming Panda here from Jump Drive Gaming. Today we're gonna be playing. Oh crud, calm the fuck on. Sorry, give me like 5 seconds. Or, well, a little more than that actually. I have to hook something up. Damn it. Completely forgot about that. If you can see me, I'm sorry. This kind of breaks the illusion. If you can't, well then good. You don't want to see my fugly face. Good for you. Come on. There we go. Okay. Now I just have to wait. Wait. If you can't tell by now, we're playing Watch Dogs, which I've already completed the main story. Haven't gotten the DLC yet, but anyway, I'm just gonna be fucking around, kind of. Let me just connect to Xbox Live because I don't know. It's just something that makes me feel a little better somehow. Wait, I should probably. Yeah, that might be slightly better. I just turned off my light. Oh yeah. If you haven't noticed, the channel has been inactive for a little while. That's because we went on a camping trip for a whole entire week. And it was terrible. Well, it wasn't terrible, it was just terrible for me. Anyway, so yeah, I haven't gotten the chance to upload. In fact, we literally just got back from camping, and I'm kind of recording this immediately afterwards because I didn't really have anything recorded as well. So, yeah, that was a mistake on my part. I'm kind of talking just for the sake of talking. Oh yeah, this is the first video I'm recording with my new phone, which is amazing. My last one broke. Charging port broke and it died. So yeah, they just decided to give me a new phone instead of giving me a new like part for it or just replacing the part. Give me like 5 seconds. Come on, there we go. Okay. And I walk in here for no apparent reason. You know what? I'm gonna change my clothes. I basically own. Well, yeah, I own just about everything in the game. Yeah, I've never tried this. Cutthroat. Oh, that actually looks slightly cool. That does look really cool. Oh my gosh. I think I found my new favorite one. My new favorite outfit. Yeah. So yeah, in case you haven't noticed, this is the progression tree. I have done all the missions for the main storyline. I still need to get a lot of these done. Can't get these purple ones done because those are online ones. Oh, I could take out a gang hideout. Or the last one. The last gang hideout. Where is that certain one? Oh, I can take down human trafficking ring. Oh, I did get all CTOS towers, all audio logs apparently. And I did all the missing persons. Also, my skill tree is very, very much built up. I have most of the skills. And if I get to an ATM, I can show you how much money I have. Yeah, I'll take that one. I was wondering how they would put that through. How they would mess around with that. How that would work. Where's the nearest ATM? The nearest ATM is... Seriously? You're kidding me, right? Why are there no ATMs on the map? Okay. Anyway, you know what? Yeah. Oh wow, it's right over there. Okay, I can go take out that last one. I also got all positive not representation. Um, what's the term? Reputation. So I got vigilante status to the max, which is good. Or for me, it just okay. Not anymore. Oh, I guess I didn't have it at the max already. Okay, but still pretty damn high up. I own every gun in the game, which is also helpful.
This is a great opportunity. There's a fight brewing within the club's ranks. Well, I'm just gonna make sure it gets worse. Take one of these guys down, they're gonna cry foul, cause all kinds of trouble.
Oh, I thought that's a 24. Okay, yeah, I need my car. Oh, sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I think I completed this in a week, which is awesome. This is an amazing game. Go out and buy it if you can, because it's amazing. If you like open world shooters that are more about thinking than anything else, then yeah, go out and buy it. It's an amazing game. I'm going to disable his ability to call for reinforcements. And yes, I use the Spec Ops 9 1911 because I like being silent. I like being silent but deadly. Oh, come on, I can't shoot through the barbed wire? That's stupid. Okay. Move. No one saw a thing. No one saw a thing. Oh crap, I should probably profile the target before I just start shooting people at random. And oh yeah, you also have the ability to slow down time, which is an amazing mechanic. I'm gonna reload just in case. I don't really need to, but it helps kind of. Well, okay. Disabled his reinforcements. And distract him. Well, I pop him one in the head. In the back of the head. No one saw a thing. I am the fox. I am death. I am Batman. Yeah. I might just make this into a series. Of just me playing Watch Dogs. Okay, there's someone. Oh, yeah. 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 Come on, profile your ass. Oh, hey, camera. By the way, if you haven't already heard, or if you haven't guessed by Watch Dogs 2, you can hack in this game, which is an amazing feature.
Hey, anyone there?
Yes, there was someone there. Just thought I'd let you know. Okay, idiot saw. Is he my... He is my target.
Go and get him!
How do you not see me? He won't let me profile him as my target. Oh, hey, cool. Guess what? Hi there. I'm behind you, by the way. Okay. They know I'm here. They know I'm here. They also know I'm here. Oh, and guess what? By the way, they know I'm here. Oh, hey, look, a car. That's a rare sight in the city of Chicago. Oh, shit! Sorry. Oh, hey, I just injured him. That's cool. I'm fine with that, actually. People get injured all the time. He'll be fine. I say as his neck is in his spleen. Aces base. Cool. Okay. What did I get for the thing? Where is it? Where? Oh, there it is. Just an achievement. Okay. You see, game? You don't fuck me over like that, okay? I haven't been doing much of the fixer contracts. I don't really like them for some dumb weird reason. Crime detected? Batman! Away! I don't know. I'm just being goofy.
Alright. This guy should be close now.
Oh, tail the potential victim. Hi there, I'm tailing you. Oh. Okay. Fine. I guess. Good for you. You can. Oh. I'll just choose this car. Yeah, I'm choosing this car, guys. Wait. What? Oh, he's not here anymore. Okay. Well, I'm probably gonna do a criminal convoy. I like this car. It's really good at handling. And it's decent speed. Okay. So to finish up this episode,
These guys are trying to pull a drive-by shooting. Let's stop them before they get there.
oh wow, okay, good on you, Aiden Pierce. So yeah, to finish up this episode, I'm going to be taking down some criminals like a vigilante. Oh, this is going to be a fun way to do it. They won't even know it. Oh, hey, now I see ATMs. Okay. I'll probably be uploading 3 episodes this week. And maybe more. Maybe that'll be our new schedule. Maybe it'll be 3 episodes a week. That'd be cool. Don't throw it on the cars, Spencer. Right. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to be right. Here. Oh, hi there. Hi. Right, come on. Can't you move faster, please? Oh wait, I could get in my car. Let me get in my car. No, move, you're gonna ruin everything. You're screwing up everything. Move. Oh my gosh. Okay. Come on. Oh, they're not doing the path. Still got it. Yeah. Okay, I'm escaping. And as I'm running away from these guys, please leave a like and subscribe to Oh wait, you killed their comms. Oh, right, I don't have any. Oh wait, I can just craft one. Anyway, please leave a like and subscribe if you like this video. If you'd like to see more, please tell us in the comments down below. If you don't want to see more, please fuck off. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Oh crap. Bye.